The Irkut MC-21, also known as 21 in Russian, is rapidly becoming one of the most closely watched projects in global aviation as we move toward 2026. Developed by Russia's United Aircraft Corporation, UAC, through its Irkut division, the MC-21 is positioned as a modern, narrow-body jetliner aimed at competing directly with the Boeing 737 MAX and the Airbus A320neo. What makes the MC-21 particularly significant is not just its design or performance goals, but the way it has come to symbolize Russia's broader push for technological independence in the aerospace sector. The aircraft has faced delays, sanctions-related component shortages, and logistical challenges, but by 2026, it's expected to enter fuller-scale production with a nearly all-domestic component structure. One of the major milestones anticipated for the MC-21 in 2026 is the widespread integration of the Russian-made PD-14 engines. These engines replace the Pratt & Whitney PW1400G engines that were initially intended for the aircraft, making it far more self-reliant amid Western export restrictions. The PD-14 is developed by United Engine Corporation and is Russia's first new civil aviation engine design since the Soviet era. Certification and production of the PD-14 are now in advanced stages, and flight testing of the MC-21 with these engines has shown promising results. By 2026, we expect to see production aircraft equipped exclusively with this engine, marking a major step toward full independence from Western technology. Beyond the engines, another important development is the replacement of Western avionics, composite materials, and other aircraft systems with Russian-made equivalents. UAC has been working with several Russian firms to produce advanced carbon fiber composites, flight control systems, and electronic suites that can meet the standards required for commercial certification. This effort has led to a parallel project often referred to as the MC-21-310 or MC-21 with Russian kit, which represents a variant designed to be manufactured entirely with domestic components. As of now, several of these Russianized prototypes have already flown, and by 2026, we expect deliveries of this variant to begin in earnest. From a design and performance standpoint, the MC-21 is one of the most advanced airliners to come out of Russia in recent decades. It features a wider cabin than both the A320 and the 737, allowing for greater passenger comfort and easier boarding. Its composite wings and high-efficiency engines are designed to reduce fuel burn by up to 15%, making it an attractive choice for airlines looking to balance performance and cost efficiency. The aircraft comes in two main variants: the MC-21-300, which seats around 163 to 211 passengers depending on configuration, and the upcoming MC-21-200, a slightly shorter version intended for lower capacity routes. By 2026, the MC-21-300 is expected to be the primary model in service. In terms of market positioning, the Russian government has thrown strong support behind the MC-21 program, both politically and financially. State-owned airlines like Aeroflot are expected to be among the first major operators, with hundreds of orders already placed by domestic carriers. The Russian Aviation Authority, Rosaviatsia, is fast-tracking certification processes, and there are discussions about promoting the aircraft to non-Western markets such as Iran, India, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa. However, the aircraft's global competitiveness may be limited by certification challenges with Western aviation regulators like EASA or the FAA, especially amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. As 2026 approaches, the MC-21 program will be a critical test case for Russia's ambitions to regain its status as a global leader in aviation manufacturing. Despite delays and global pressures, the MC-21 is poised to begin a new chapter in commercial aviation. If it can deliver on its promises of efficiency, comfort, and autonomy from foreign suppliers, it could very well reshape the future of the Russian aerospace industry, and challenge the long-standing Western duopoly in the single-aisle market. All eyes will be on Irkut and UAC as the MC-21 heads towards serial production and enters service with its first commercial customers in the coming year.